If you have not yet turned on these two settings on your YouTube channel, then that could be the reason why your channel is not getting recommended by the YouTube algorithm and why your videos are getting very low views or even no views at all. Yes, I know, because I actually was a victim of this for years on my other channel till I found out this, and it actually changed the game for me. So in this particular video, I'm going to be taking you on a step-by-step process on how I was able to turn on that settings and how it actually changed the game for my channel. And I promise you that a lot of content creators don't know about this particular settings, and that has been the reason why you have been posting videos consistently and yet you are getting very low amounts of views and subscribers. But on this particular video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn these settings on and the best way to do it and how it's going to enhance your YouTube channel growth. I was actually happy when I found about this, because it actually did a whole lot to my channel by making YouTube to recommend my videos and push my videos more, and it helped me gain more subscribers and viewers on my other channel. So right in this video, I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step process on how I got this done. Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is All Star Nation. If it's your first time here, you're welcome. On this channel, I make videos on growth strategies, YouTube tips, and tools that help small and new content creators to actually succeed on the YouTube space. If this actually sounds like you, then let's grow together. Help us give this video a thumbs up and also smash on the subscribe button so that you also get notified whenever a new video drops. So with that being said and no further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, so I'm going to turn on my screen record for you guys, okay, because I'm going to be attaching this to this particular video. Alright, now for those that don't have the YouTube Studio at all, right, every content creator, as a content creator, you need this. So you just go to the App Store, maybe your Play Store or your App Store, right, and just click type YouTube Studio, and if you have it already, I think you should try to update it so that it can actually be more efficient for you. So you type on the YouTube Studio, okay, and it will open. Then you just click on open. For me, I already have it before, okay. So now I'm using another phone for this, so the one I have here is actually outdated, but it can still work. So we're just going to go straight to our content. Then we'll click on the contents that we have. As you can see, because it's the older version, it has videos, shorts, and live, like playlist, everything all arranged. So I'm using my one of my channels for this particular tutorials. So you click on the videos, you click on view all, and it's going to outline, like play everything out for us. So I'll be using this first video here, okay, this last video, for you guys to see. So I just clicked on the video. Don't tell anyone, or reasons why you should never tell anyone about your channel. So we are going to scroll down, okay. On this particular video, we'll click on this edit button, okay. There's an edit button there. We'll click on it, and then you scroll down. When you scroll down, you will see more options, a place where they wrote more options. So that is the place you are going to click. Under the more options settings, you have the tags, we have the short remixing, we have category and every other thing. So you just click on that more option. Now under the more option, you see a place they wrote tags. So many people don't put tags on their videos. So this is actually very important for every YouTube video, okay. Any video you're uploading on YouTube, try to make sure that your tags are intact. You look for the tags that are related to that particular video that you are making, and make sure you fit in all of them in this video. So sorry, in that in that video. So you try to put everything in place, right? You see how do you do that? You see this place, they say add tags. Okay, now let me just add a tag. Let me show you guys, because some persons don't really know how to put it. Let me just say I want to add YouTube as a tag. YouTube, okay, let me say YouTube tutorials, okay. So what am I going to do? I'll just click on return button. When you click on return button, it's going to automatically save as a tag. But if you don't do that, it's still going to continue. Let me do something like go, and I space it. You see, it's not doing anything. So you go back. Once you are done, you just click on return. Once you click on return, it will automatically save as a tag. Then you can use the cancel button, to cancel whatever tag you are putting. Now I added something, so now we can scroll down to a place you can see short remixing, you can see paid promotion and brands. These ones are, maybe for instance, the video you are making is actually a promotion for a particular company or brand. That is when you're going to include something on that place. So now I'm going to scroll down to this place where they call category. So I'm going to click on this category. As you can see, it says choose category. Now if you are not choosing a category for your niche, it's going to be very difficult for YouTube to understand the kind of videos you are doing and the people that need to see this video. I'm telling you for free, like fact for free. It's going to be taking your videos here and there. Do you understand? Now, so you have to go to your category. You have cars and vehicles, you have comedy. If you're a comedian, like comedy is your niche, you click on comedy. If education is your niche, if education is your niche, you click on education, right? If entertainment is what you do, click on entertainment. We have film and animations, we have gaming, right? There are people who are just into gaming. If gaming is what you do, you put it there. How to and style is what I fix because I teach, like it's a tutorial. So if your video is actually synonymous to what I do, then you should consider choosing how to and style. All right, then we have music. Those are for people that just do strictly music. All right, then we also have news and politics, we have non-profits and activism, we have people and blogs. So naturally, or by default, by default your videos are going to be on people and blogs. This is because you have not yet decided what you want. Like, you don't know where you want to be, you have not picked a niche for your channel. And so because they're on people and blog, YouTube will just be taking your videos to anybody that it sees on the space, which is not going to help YouTube to know this right audience for you. This is what you are doing. These are the people that want to see it. So we have pets and animals, we have science and technology, we have sports, we have travel, and we have travel and events. Okay, so now this is how to and style, and that is what I chose for my own videos. And the funny thing about it, like the good thing about it, is that when you fix, for instance, I chose how to and style any video I'm making on the YouTube space. Once I upload it to YouTube, automatically it gives me how to and style in my category. So now we're going to go back, and you can see where it says save. So we're going to click on the save button and see it says save changes. It has saved everything I have done. All right, so now you can see it is this simple. And another funny thing, or another good thing about this is, when you have changed this, any video you upload is going to be on that category. Like if I upload another video now, even if it's a dancing video or something, it's going to be like on how to and style. That is where it's going to be. So people that will be seeing it are people that are on that niche, that are looking for how to. Those are the people that YouTube will recommend those videos to. It will not recommend it to somebody that is typing game. Do you understand? So by so doing, you are telling YouTube that this is the niche that I belong to. This is what I am doing. So it helps, like it narrows it. It makes it easier, and before you know, it starts picking up on your videos. It starts picking up and pushing that video easily to the right persons that needs to see it. And I tell you for free that when I applied this particular approach on my channel, it was part of the things that led me to my road to monetization. My channel started receiving lots of subscribers and recommendations from YouTube. So this is one of the settings that you need to be fixing for YouTube to be able to recommend your videos to the right audience. So with that being said, that takes us to the second settings which you need to set up for YouTube to be able to recommend your videos. But this particular settings cannot be done with the mobile app. For us to be able to fix these settings, we'll be going over to the desktop version. But if you have a mobile phone, relax and take a chill pill, because I'm also going to be showing you how you are going to go about it with your mobile phone. So without much ado, let's go to the second settings for this particular video. So I'm just going to head over to my Chrome, and I'm going to type the YouTube dashboard. Okay, and then it will pop up like this, and then you just type in, you click on it and wait, and then it's going to load. It will take you straight to the account that you have connected. Okay, so if you have not connected it to your account, please do well to connect it to your account. So this is my channel dashboard for this particular account. As you can see, it's showing me the desktop version Okay, you can see that this particular version is actually different from the other one that I used previously. So now we are just going to scroll down. Like you see these small dots at the lower part, like the settings button. Let me zoom it a little. You can see it here. You just click on it. You click on the settings button, and this is it. Over the settings button, you can find general, find channel, upload default, permissions, community moderations, agreements. All right, so just click on channel. Okay, so now under the channel, you can see you have a place they said basic information, advanced settings, and future eligibility. Okay, now under the country of residence, Nigeria, I put my country. Then you can see a place they said keywords. Now you can see a whole lot of keywords I've put in here, a whole lot of keywords. Now this particular place needs to be filled. If you don't have anything in this place, YouTube is not going to know what your channel is about. I kid you not. YouTube is not going to understand what you are doing. So as you can see now, I have a lot of it here. How to grow on YouTube. Viral, make money, YouTube tips, niche, how to get like a whole lot of tags are here, right? Now, YouTube growth, a lot of it. Then Dan the creator, Ben did it, Think Media, and all that. Now let me explain to you why these people are here. As a YouTuber, you should learn to know the niche you belong to. Okay, you look for the niche that you belong to. Okay, and look for the creators that are ahead of you already in that particular niche, people that are already doing well in that particular niche. And this is one of the reasons why you can find Dan the creator on my tag. Ben did it is here because these people create similar content. We create similar content. I create content like what they create. You can see Vibe with Sonia. Vibe with Sonia is here, and I'm also going to be adding another person right now, which is Princess. This is Princess Chiamaka. All right. She has a channel which also talks about YouTube tutorials now. So I just clicked on it, and I am adding her for the purpose of teaching so that you guys can understand. Now I'll just click on save, and you see that it says settings has been saved. Settings saved. So now let's go back and see if that settings, what I added, has been added. So you can see Princess Chiamaka, her channel is here. Now why am I adding these people? Whenever anybody comes on YouTube, I want to search these people. These are people that are already ahead of me, right? So if they are looking for their channel, when they click on Princess Chiamaka, my own videos are going to pop up. When they click on Dan the creator, my own videos are going to pop up. So that is a way that helps YouTube to recommend your videos. So after that, you go to your advanced settings, where you have to make sure you are setting this place properly. It has, yes, this channel is set as made for kids. I mostly upload content that is made for kids. Or no, set this channel as not made for kids. I almost never upload content that is made for kids. Then the third one is I want to review these settings. This is when you want to, any video you want to post, maybe you make content that's for kids. So whenever you don't want to make whenever you don't want YouTube to recommend it to kids, you just make your choice with this third button. But for me, mine is stably on the second one, which is no, this channel is set as not made for kids. All right, so that is it for that. And for this last place, you also make sure that these three are enabled. As you can see, mine is enabled. The standard features enabled, intermediate features enabled, the advanced features enabled. For one of my new channel, just two are enabled. I'm trying to set up the last one now. YouTube was not recommending my videos on that channel, so when I checked, I discovered that one of it was not enabled. I actually had to enable it so that YouTube can start recommending my videos. All right, I'm very sure that when you're able to set this up on your channel is going to take a new shape, and YouTube is going to be recommending your videos faster than you ever thought. With that being said, I need you right now to run to your YouTube studio and get these settings fixed so that YouTube will start recommending your videos to the right audience immediately. And also, if you want to know how to get 1,000 subscribers fast, then this particular video here is the right video for you. Thank you so much for watching this video to this time. If you found this video helpful, please do as well to smash on the like button so that this video can get to many more persons. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you can get more videos like this. I'll see you guys in my very next video. For now, bye.